Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it. So we're looking at this. Here is it again. I'll get the year for y'all here in a second. Yeah, 2018 Hyundai Elantra. Uh, Picked it up. Got like one little blemish up top, but there she is. 2018. Little scuff right there. Maybe the detail shop can get that little scuff off. But I'm about to take it to the detail shop. Tires are already in good condition. Interior is good, kinda, but I'm gonna just have them clean this carpet because it's like a lot of pet here. Like it's just a lot of pet here. And then like the seats ain't that bad, so it's something they should be able to detail and get back to me today. You know, as long as get all that pet hair, you know, good wash, good washing back. I'm gonna go get the oil changed. Let me start her up. Fire's right up. You know, no service lights on. Does need an oil change because it's got at the oil change interview it says like oil change, but it doesn't have any service lights. Does need an oil change. If you see it's flickering, it's because I got my camera. I just got this. Got the Android Auto. Got the backup camera. Got the Bluetooth. So got the backup camera. Got the Android Auto. No sunroof though. Like I said, as is. This is what you gotta have in every car. So if you got a car dealer, and you have a car and it's parked out front and it's parked out front for sale, like my car is sitting in the back, but for people, but this must be presented and being all cars, but it must be presented to the customer, you know. So when you purchase the vehicle, it lets you know as is, no warranty. But if you do have a warranty, it'll be checked right there. Or if it still had like some type of warranty on this car, but it's out of warranty. But I'm gonna take it, go get the oil change, just so I know the oil is fresh. You can go get an oil change. I usually take my cars to Hyundai because Hyundai they do an inspection and an oil change, it's like $35. I mean, you can go to any Hyundai dealer. I don't know what type of like they use, but it's an oil change. So and they do the inspection. It's like 35. It's like $35, $45. It's one of the two. It's $35 or $45 is like the cheapest the dealer oil change you can get with an inspection, and that's through Hyundai. So really can't beat it. Like you said, interior. You know, get these seats cleaned. You know, carpet is pretty clean already, but it's pet hair. So that good rubber. Don't look like it's no little crack in the glass right there. Maybe detail buff that out. Look like it's got a little pearl paint. They got pet hair up there. So whatever they had, probably like a little dog or something, was just hopping all around here. So I'm gonna take it to the detail shop, you know, make sure they get all this pet hair up off of here. But it came from Denton, Texas. So it came from Denton, Texas. But we'll be looking at that. We'll be making a video on the range in a minute. So y'all see that so get the tires cleaned up, tires shine, everything. So you know we got to go with the big. See if the detail shop can clean these headlights up. See if they can like maybe clean them up some. Maybe just clean them up just a little bit. But what y'all think though? What y'all think? You know? Yeah, gotta get all this. You gotta point it out like, hey, you know, make sure y'all get all of this. So I might take it to Hyundai to get the oil. I'll probably go to Hyundai. Probably easiest to just take it there, have them change the oil, just drop it off, catch me like a little lift or something back here. because my brother's not here. So yeah, it won't be much to take this to Hyundai, get an oil change. Then after they change the oil, or I might just take it to my buddy. I might just take it to my buddy's shop. I mean, not my buddy, but I mean, technically, I must have been getting my oil change there for a while. But their oil change is a little bit more expensive in Hyundai. But I might just take it there just so I don't have to wait. Because then I could just go get the oil change right then and there. Because it's on my way to the detail shop, so I can just go. I'm just so yeah, I can go get the money to Hyundai, but I'll support my buddy and give him the business. You know, could I save me a little bit of money? I could, but hey, but he gives me a good deal on when I really do an oil change and alignment, because he gives me an oil change and an alignment for like 120. So oil change and an alignment, like 120. He gives me like a package deal if I package them together. So I usually do it. So that's what I usually do, get an oil change and an alignment. But see, the cool thing about the area that I'm in, it's an alignment shop like right down the street. That's like, it's probably like, it's like 1 minute away, like 1-2 minute away driving. And he checks out the alignment for $25. Sometimes he does it for free just because I come in there so often. And so he checks out the alignments, and then I know to order all the parts that I need to order. Then it's a detail shop down this way, also another detail shop the other way. But I like the new one, because they got a better price. So basically, I can go get my oil change, then go to the detail shop all in one. So I'm gonna just go get the oil change from there. This one doesn't need an alignment, so. But let's give you one more walk around, and then y'all let me know in the comment section below what I should sell it for. It's a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. I gotta go see what model it is. Don't know. But it does have the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, all of that good stuff. So let's give y'all one more walk around, and then y'all let me. Should be a quick and easy sale. Detail shop should have it back fairly quick. They probably get it done today, because all they're really doing is going to clean the interiors, probably go over the seats one time, and then they delivering another. I thought I was getting another car delivered, but I'll be showing y'all the Range Rover in the upcoming video, so we make a video on that. Then they dropped off some other cars too, my HHR and the Malibu. So y'all just gonna keep getting videos, and I'm liking all y'all guys' feedback. You know, the ones that's telling me what I should sell it for, what I should do with it. The guy that gave me the information on the plastic dip, I gotta go get his name again. I know he's probably gonna comment on this video, but I have to gotta go get his name, and I want to make sure I get it right, so I give him a shout out. But I want to shout out everybody. You know, everybody that drops the comments, everybody that likes the video. I just want to try to show y'all what I'm buying these cars for, provide y'all with the information. And I will make a video on the fees and the transport, because I know a guy asked for that. And the fees going to be more common. You know, I can do the fees. That's going to be a lot easier, because the fees is all about the price, about what you pay for. Transport, it just depends, because I get vehicles from all over. Sometimes they're here in Oklahoma, sometimes they're not. But let me go get this oil change. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm out. Peace.